The initial velocity of a particle is u, 3I plus 2j meters per second, and after 2 seconds its velocity is v, which is 5I minus 2j meters per second. We want to find the acceleration of the particle. If we consider the initial velocity is 3I plus 2j, or 3, 2 as a column vector, and over the course of 2 seconds, this becomes 5 minus 2 meters per second. So in 2 seconds, the horizontal component of velocity has increased by 2, and the upward has changed by minus 4. In other words, it's increased by 4 downwards. This happens in the course of 2 seconds, so in each second it must be 1 across and 2 down, giving us an acceleration of 1 minus 2 meters per second squared. We now want to find the magnitude of this acceleration. It's 1 across and 2 down. The magnitude will be the length of the third side of this vector triangle. So using Pythagoras' theorem, we get the square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared, which is equal to root 5 meters per second squared.